Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer video clips from PS5 to phone without using USB. On your phone, it could be iPhone or Android phone, you need to head over to the App Store or Google Play and then search and download the PlayStation app. After that, open the app and log in using PSN account with which your console is linked. In the app, switch to controller icon available on the bottom and then select capture option on the top. Now you will see this screen with option to automatically upload capture to phone. You can either enable it or not now, depending on your preference. Now the app is set up, let's move the file from the PlayStation to phone. On your PS5, open the media gallery and then navigate to file you need to upload. Press the option button on the controller and select upload to PlayStation app. To track the upload, press the PS button and then select download upload icon at the bottom. Here you will find the progress in the upload section. Once it's uploaded, head back to phone and open the PlayStation app. At this point, you will see the uploaded clip. Open it to preview it. In case you want to download it on the phone gallery, tap on the download button available on the bottom right side of the screen and you are done. So that's all about this video. You need to keep in mind that with this method you won't be able to move 4K clips and you need to edit them to HD quality before moving. I hope this helps. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.